We'll guide you through how to add a website or web page in Bookmarks on Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are in Chrome. So the bookmarks bar is really convenient because you can go and add sites you frequently go and visit and even specific web pages, and they're going to be at the top of your browser and you can go and click on them and get taken straight there. So make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything as we guide you through how this is done. So to go and get started, we're going to go and head to a site we want to go and add. So let's go and say I wanted to go and add the GuideRealm channel. Let's come to youtube.com. Then what we're going to do is we're going to press search at the top and I'm going to go and type in GuideRealm. Now what you need to do is you need to come to the address bar, go over to the right and go and find the star icon. And then it will say bookmark this tab. You want to go and click on it and it will open up. Now, what you want to do is you can go and select bookmarks bar, and at the top, you can go and choose the name. At the moment, it's set to one GuideRealm YouTube, but I'm just going to name this GuideRealm like so. Then you can go and press done. So now it should go and be added. Now, if you're in the same situation as me, if we've added it, but it's not appearing, we need to make sure the bookmarks bar is being shown. So what you need to do is you need to go to the top right of Chrome and press the three dots, go down, find the option for settings, come to the left and find the option for appearance. Now you need to go and find the option for show bookmarks bar. Press the switch to the right. And then as you can see at the top here, we're now seeing it and we can see our different bookmarks and we can go and see the channel here. I can then click on it and get taken straight here and you can repeat that and add more.